Wondering why there's so much more snow on this side of the street. I don't think it's a space-time anomaly. I don't think it has anything to do with Einstein's theory on relativity. In other words, it's not snowing anymore over here than it is over here. It's just that the village plows this side of the street up onto the sidewalk, and then we remove it, I guess, for the village. But on this side of the street, they can't seem to get up to the sidewalk, and they miss the mark easily by 6 feet. And they'll come through here in a day or two with a front end loader or a snowblower attachment and get rid of this. And they miss their mark by at least 6 feet. 6 feet. And there were no cars on the street. They could have easily just put it up on the sidewalk. But I don't know. Do people on the odd side of the street pay more taxes than the people on the even side of the street? I mean, that's a substantial amount of snow coming off the street and the sidewalk. And yet on this side, this is what you're faced with. So, just wanted to point that out.